Okay, so let us look at question 6b. This is about vectors, and we know that vectors, they do come every year. Okay, so the diagram shows a trapezium OABC in which OA is equal to vector A and OC equals to 3 vector C, AB equals to 3, then vector OC. Now, we know, and D is the midpoint, so D is the midpoint of AC. So AC, and then halfway is your D, the midpoint. Now the question, the first one says, express in terms of A and OC. Okay, so the way you answer vectors, they're very simple. Just by understanding, so this is question 6. B. So this is now AC, okay? AC. So when you look at AC in the diagram, it is just AC is this one. So we know that we have this side and we have this side. What we don't have is this side. So all you have to do is just say AC is equal to AO plus OC. Okay? Then from there now, since look at the way you are moving the direction, AO is actually against this one that you have been given in the diagram because it's pointing to OA. So we are against that one. So we can reverse that one by saying negative of OA plus OC. So from there, we know that OA is just 2 vector A, so that's negative, and then plus OC just vector 3C. Then just try to reverse them and then you're done, but just try to, just try to write like this, 3 vector C minus 2A. Then you're done. Now on number 2, Roman numeral 2, it's saying OD. So OD. Okay, so how do you find OD now? Okay. So when you look at OD, the way you can find OD, look at the diagram, is just by saying, maybe just do a bit of from O to D, okay? From O to D, like that, okay? And then we can move like OD equals to OA, so like this one, and then we come back to that one, okay? So OD equals to OA plus AD. Now remember that D is the midpoint of AC, so we can express D in terms of AC. So that is going to be like AD, okay, equals to 1 over 2. That's the meaning of midpoint of vector C. So this is, we know that this is that, and then vector AC is this one there. So this will just be 3C minus 2A. So it is this one that you are going to put here. So, okay. So then our OA, we know that it is 2 vector A plus this one, okay, plus half, open the bracket, 3C minus 2A. So from there, we can just now simplify 2A plus, so this one I can just multiply together. Okay, so half, just like saying 1 over 2 multiplied by 3, which will just give us 3 over 2. So this will just be 3 over 2, and then vector C minus, now this half times this one times 2a, okay, so 2 there it's 1, 2 there it's 1, so just going to be minus a. Now we know that this and this are like terms, so we are going to say 2a minus a plus 3 over 2 vector C. So from there we know that 2 vector A minus vector A is just vector A plus 3 over 2C. Then you are done. Okay. Then followed by what is next now? So it's OB. It's OB. So when you go back to the diagram, what is OB? So OB, we are sort of just getting your ruler, and then sort of just see what is happening. So this is more like, okay, just like sort of just to understand what is happening. Okay. So when you look at OB, we are moving in this direction. Okay. And what is a possibility? So OB is equal to OA plus AB. That's how we can move. Okay. So OB equals to OA plus AB. Now you have to pay attention from the key points that vector AB is this. Okay. And yeah, so we know that vector AB is 3 of vector OC. Okay. And from the diagram, we know that vector OA is just 2a. Okay. From this diagram. Okay. So vector OA is just 2a. So we can finish it up now. We can now say OA is 2a plus 3 vector OC. Now, if you go back to the diagram, we know that vector OC is just 3c. Okay. So this is going to be 2a plus 3 of vector 3c. Okay. Then from there now, we know that this 2a plus 9c. Okay. Then we are done. Okay. And then now the last one is BD. BD. Okay. So let's see how we can make BD from the diagram. So BD here. So BD just there. Okay. So we are moving from B going to D, so our arrow is like that one. Okay. So now BD is just BD can just be equal to BD equals to BA plus AD. As simple as that. So BD equals to BA plus AD. Now remember that our AD, okay, our AD is this one, or at least at this point, okay, and our AB, we have our AB, this one, but in this case we are looking for BA, which is the reverse opposite. So this is just going to be negative of vector AB plus our AD is just yeah, let's keep it that. So then now we can simplify our this is going to be negative, okay, it's going to be negative open bracket, and then our AB is just this, okay, 3C minus 2A, then plus our AB is this one, okay, this one, this is our AB, this one, okay. So negative of 3OC plus, then our AD is just half, our AD, I'm getting this one, our AD, this one, which we find this one, okay, that's what I'm getting for AD. So I'm just replacing, which is just 3C minus 2A. Now we know that OC, okay, OC is just 3C. So this is negative 3 open bracket 3 vector C plus this one. Okay, so I'll expand now. So this is going to be negative 9C plus this is going to be 3 over 2 vector C minus just A. Now we know that we have like terms, this one and this one. So this is going to be, let me just put it nicely, 3 over 2 C minus 9 vector C minus vector A. So now on this one, you have to evaluate this one by finding the lowest common denominator, meaning by putting over 1 there. So this will just be over 2. So 2 into 2 is 1 times 3 vector C, just 3 vector C. Then minus this one. 1 into 2 is 2 times 9 vector C, it is 18 vector C. Then minus A. So don't include the A. The A is just alone. The A is just alone. So the A is just alone. So then this one is going to be, we can now evaluate there. So this is going to be a negative, subtract, so we are going to have negative 15 vector C over 2 minus A, okay, and then you can just simply factor out. You can just say negative half is common, then 15 vector C plus A, sort of just make it look nice. So that is where you can just end. So thank you so much for watching, and this is a Radco Academy. Please subscribe for more information, and share, like, and your families, relatives, friends, and anyone whom you think that this content can be helpful for them or to them. So just kind of make sure that you share to them. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.